Instant hook. If you struggle to remember a phone number for more than 10 seconds, this video is for you. Many people over 50 quietly worry when simple numbers start to feel harder than they used to. Today you will see how just a few minutes of gentle number training can wake up your brain without feeling like school. Up next, we dive into Clear Promise. Clear Promise. By the end of this video, you will have a simple number training routine you can do in under 10 minutes a day at your kitchen table. You will learn how to use everyday numbers, like prices, dates, and phone numbers, to keep your memory and focus active. You will also get a calm, step-by-step pattern you can write down and repeat tomorrow without needing any app or special equipment. Up next, we dive. Problem empathy. You are not alone if you walk into a room and forget why you went there, or if you look at a bill and your eyes glaze over at all the numbers. Many people over 50 notice that mental math at the grocery store or remembering a new PIN code feels slower than it used to. This can feel scary, but often it simply means your brain is not getting the same kind of practice it once did. Up next, we dive into pain to hope. When numbers feel overwhelming, many people start to avoid them, and that quiet avoidance can slowly weaken mental sharpness. The good news is that your brain can still learn, adapt, and build new connections at any age, especially when you challenge it gently and regularly. Number training may help you feel more confident with everyday tasks like tracking medication times, managing money, or warm-up routine. Let's start with a soft warm-up using just the numbers from 1 to 9, and your voice or a piece of paper. Say the numbers out loud in order, then slowly say them backward, and notice where your mind wants to rush or skip. Now choose any two numbers between 1 and 9, add them in your head, and then subtract the smaller from the larger, speaking each step clearly. Up next, we dive into retention. Simple. Now, this next part is crucial, because this is where number training starts to feel fun instead of frustrating. Many people give up because they jump straight into hard puzzles and feel defeated, but gentle layering works far better. You deserve a routine that meets you where you are today and slowly turns up the challenge only when you feel ready. Up next, we dive into daily pattern. Daily pattern. Take a grocery receipt, a bill, or even a menu, and pick any price you see, like 7.49 or 12.30. Add the digits together out loud, then subtract the smallest digit from the largest, and repeat this with 3 or 4 different numbers you find. Many people find that when they attach number training to something they already do, like checking a receipt, the habit becomes easy to keep. Up next, we dive real life use. Look at today's date and say it slowly, then close your eyes and repeat it backward, month, day, and year. You can also take the current time on a clock, round it to the nearest 5 minutes in your head, and then imagine what time it will be in 15 minutes or half an hour. Many viewers tell me that when they practice with dates and times, they start remembering appointments and events more. Brain evidence. Research on brain health suggests that staying mentally active with small challenges, like number puzzles, may support thinking skills as we age. When you work with numbers, you often use memory, attention, and problem solving all at once, which can be a powerful combination. Some people notice that after a few weeks of gentle practice, they feel more confident handling bills, medication schedules. Midpoint quiz. Quick check-in for you. If I say the number 395, can you pause the video? Repeat it out loud 3 times, then look away and say it backward without peeking? Notice how your brain feels while you do this, and whether you hold your breath, tense your shoulders, or rush the answer. Ask yourself honestly, does this feel like a gentle challenge or like pressure, and what small adjustment would make it? Checklist habits. To build a lasting habit, choose a specific time of day, like right after breakfast, and decide on a short number goal, such as 3 tiny exercises. Keep a small notebook or scrap paper in the same spot every day, so your brain links that place with your number practice. Aim for a level that feels like mild effort, where you sometimes pause to think, but you are not holding your breath or feeling